Morning, Saturday. This is so handy dandy. Bought this from Walmart the other day when me and the kids went to Walmart. And, oh, focus, there. It's the Bissell Natural Sweep. I wish I would have gotten this when Drake was a baby because I would vacuum. I would need to vacuum while he was sleeping. Where is Drakey? Oh, there go my 21-day fix containers. Hey, what are you doing, Drake? Here's breakfast for me and Drake. The other two are still sleeping. 1 and 2 are still sleeping. Oh, here it goes. Hi, Drake. I'm constantly sweeping because he's always putting stuff in his mouth. I haven't tried the Shakeology yet. I'm just a little skeptical because I'm afraid of what it might taste like. So I'm trying to research some good recipes before I dive into that. But for now, I'm using it as water. And I just love how it doesn't have a straw. What happened? Tell me. Going back from war.
Ouchie! Hit him, Millie.
Look at him. He looked at you. Sydney, stay out of it.
Hit him. Hit him.
Stop it.
Hit him. Hi, hi, hi.
It was raining
Okay.
earlier today, Sydney.
Get
Did
it?
you know that?
Yeah, he's what?
Sydney's massaging my head. Sydney, you're giving me more of a headache.
Woken up by the crazy rain this morning. It was kind of cool, right?
Oh, it was raining.
7 a.m.
My kids are the best. They bought me breakfast this morning. I'm going to eat half a sandwich. Thanks, guys. I'm wrapping. I put one of these long throw over. What are these called? Like, I don't know. It's like a jacket, but it's, what do you call these? It's like a throw over shawl type thing. One size fits all. And I'm wrapping up for my cousin. And can you believe one of them fit in here? This little boy is so strong. Hi, baby. He moved this chair. We use this chair to block. Oh, it's so dark. There. We use this chair to block this little exit. Okay, okay. And he straight pushed the chair over. What a strong little Hulkamania. What is she doing? Oh my goodness. Look, it's like raining off and on outside. I'm doing laundry while we're... Millie could watch Teen Beach Movie Part 2 forever in a day, right, Millie? Oh my goodness, it is like a pouring rain. It's like the weather's hot, but it's like pouring rain. OMG. I'm just here working on my primary stuff, getting this board together for my class. And yes, my husband's home, so he's watching Drake. And yeah, this is what I'm doing right here. Oh, I painted my nails because I wasn't able to go. Here it goes. I wasn't able to go to the nail shop, so this is what I'm doing. It is. But I'm gonna cut some polka dots in a little bit after I check on Drakey. Yay! So I'm almost done with my board. I needed this to stand out. So I ended up like tracing it in black and just doing a little nonsense on there. And then you see I messed up here, I messed up there, and right there because the marker slipped. But anyways, I am done with my board. Love my circle hole punchers from Michaels. This I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's one of, oh, it was one of these boards. And all of these were on, you've seen them at the Dollar Tree in like the stationery section. Yeah, so all of this was stuck on here, and all I did was I just cut it. Woo, I've been in this office too long. I cut out each one of these and then just kind of rearranged them on here. I think they look nicer on here. And then, let me scan this up for you guys. And then when I have my primary class, at least I have all of it like right here. And then I have the article of faith that we will be learning for the month of July, what class it is. And then on this side, I am going to use these clips and I'm going to put the kids' names on here. And it's kind of like a reverent, it's going to be kind of like a reverent chart. So they're all going to start off on good day, and then they'll either go up or they'll go down. And when they go down, it'll be like warning, talk to your parents, or have your parents come into class. And yeah, this is my last minute board. I wanted to get this together for the kids tomorrow, and yep, that's what I'm doing. Drake is taking a nap. I am playing with some more colored cool paper, and I'm also shopping for nail polish racks because it is about time that I get that Huggies box of nail polishes out and sorted. So that's what I am doing. That's what I'm doing. Multitasking, shopping and primary stuff. Shopping and primary stuff. I have the best daughter like ever. Thanks, Millie.
Well, anytime.
How much do I owe you for dusting my vanity?
$1.
$1?
$2.
Make it 10. No, Daddy.
I thought it was 5.
Sergeant George Dow's investigation
Oh,
into the discovery of a
wow.
mysterious
Oh, look at how you arranged it. So nice. Thanks, Millie.
We need some more manpower in order to do that. So that's why we call it search and rescue.
Oh, there goes those. I was looking for those beauty blenders. Oh, did you put them all in there? They were all in here, right?
Yeah, because there's some squish.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and there go lip glosses. I didn't know I had these.
Mommy, do you want me to take it now or when we all...
No, I thought I...
I put it to the side.
Oh, there they go. I thought they were... Okay. Thanks, Millie.
Mom, where did I put this?
Where did all these palettes go?
Mom, where did I put
I'll
this?
just put it back there.
Right now I'm doing the front.
So we're here at Rite Aid because my husband feels like eating coconut pineapple ice cream. So, wait, how do you even know the ice cream is open? How do you even know that? Well, let's see. This is a really nice Rite Aid. Ooh, it's so nice and bright.
Mom, it's right here.
I know, but maybe they sell... I was just gonna get Daddy the ice cream. Like,
What about me?
Right there. There it goes, right there.
Where?
Coconut, pineapple. Oh, right here. I'm definitely getting this one because I already have the
Pretty.
activator at home. Oh, look, sinful colors. Oh, shoot, look at this one. These were one of the colors that I wanted to try.
That looks like an ice cream color.
It's called birthday cake. Okay, so I have half of the house is asleep. I'm gonna put together a little bulletin board for a poster board for our ward bulletin board of Cub Scouts. Blah, 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 I can't even talk. Cub Scout camp and everything that happened at Cub Scout camp. And that's it. That's my night. I'm probably gonna do some light journaling and some light reading before I go to bed. But that's it. Good night. See you guys tomorrow.